Welcome to Rebel of Healing. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to do a reading for the sign of Virgo. This could be in your sun, moon, rising, north node, or Venus. I'm going to do an energy check-in. Again, thank you so much for joining. I truly appreciate all your beautiful comments, your subscriptions, your likes, and your donations. And if you would like a personal reading, please reach out to me via email. All right, Virgo, let's look at the overall energy right now. Spirit, what is the overall energy for Virgo? Overall energy for Virgo. Thank you, Spirit. Overall energy for my Virgos. Thank you, Spirit. Wow, we have the Four of Swords. The Four of Swords is all about rest, recuperation. It's about healing. It's about really taking that time to do that introspective work, really resting yourself. And I'll clarify, of course. What is the situation for Virgo, Spirit? What is the situation for Virgo? What is the situation for Virgo? Thank you, Spirit. Situation for my Virgo. Thank you, Spirit. See, one card keep on trying to pop out. What is the situation for my Virgo? Yeah, you have a new beginning. This is the Fool card. This is the beginning card of the Major Arcana. So you have a new beginning. This is infinite possibilities. What are the challenges and obstacles for Virgo right now? What are the challenges and obstacles for Virgo right now? Thank you, Spirit. Challenges and obstacles for Virgo. Thank you, Spirit. Challenges and obstacles for Virgo. Thank you, Spirit. Challenges and obstacles for Virgo. We have the Three of Swords, heartbreak, pain, and betrayal. So this is holding you back from your new beginning. And I'll clarify. What is the action and next step for Virgo? What should be the action and next step, Spirit, for Virgo? Action and next step. Thank you, Spirit. Wow, we have the Four of Wands. The Four of Wands is all about celebration, stability. This card to me is like having a sanctuary, having like stable ground to be on. So it's a time of celebration for you. And I'm going to clarify the cards. 4-4 could be significant angel number. I would look that up, 4-4, because you start with a 4 and end with a 4. So that's very significant. Now, in terms of your overall energy, we have the Four of Swords. This is rest. This is recuperation. This is healing. Can we please clarify the Four of Swords for Virgo? Please clarify the Four of Swords for Virgo. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Spirit. Seven of Swords in your energy. This is lies, deception, betrayal. This is someone watching you. Can we please clarify the Seven of Swords for Virgo's energy? Please clarify this Seven of Swords in Virgo's energy. Thank you, Spirit. I really feel you're leaving behind what no longer serves you, but please clarify. Yeah, we have the Eight of Swords. You're trapped in a mental prison currently. You need to rest and recharge and really work on changing your outlook. And it could be because you've been dealing with major deception and betrayal. Someone who's very sneaky in your energy. Please clarify the Seven of Swords. Spirit, can we clarify this Seven of Swords in Virgo's energy? Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Spirit. It's like they left you in like a mental prison. Whatever took place left you in a mental prison. Please clarify the Seven of Swords. Thank you, Spirit. We have a major arcana, death and rebirth. You're going through a major transformation of death and rebirth. And then on the bottom was the Six of Wands, victory, success, and recognition. You're leaving behind this energy. Any secrets, lies, and deceptions, releasing yourself from a mental prison. That's why your energy is in the Four of Swords. It is so important for you to rest and recover. Do your affirmations, do your shadow work, positive affirmations, because you're going through a major rebirth and transformation. I'm really feeling this energy that you are putting a death to this Seven of Swords energy in your life. You're putting a complete death to it. And that's why you need a rest. You've been through a lot. I'm really feeling this energy of some type of trauma that this has caused you. Now, in your overall situation, you can have a new beginning. I'm really feeling this pulling energy that whoever this Seven of Swords is does not want you to have a new beginning. They don't want you to have infinite possibilities. Can we please clarify the Fool for the current situation, new beginnings? Can we please clarify the Fool card for Virgo, this new beginnings? Please clarify. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Spirit. Clarify. Clarified by the Ten of Wands. You are releasing your burdens. You're walking away from what no longer serves you. This is also a great time to ask for help if you need help. Can we clarify the Fool and Ten of Wands for Virgo? We have the Hermit come out. This is Virgo energy. This is you doing the inner work. You have a new beginning because you're doing the inner work and you're lighting your own path. This is all about introspection, going within, connecting with divine source. You're releasing your burdens and you're going to have a brand new beginning. And I'm feeling so pulled to the Seven of Swords. I'm feeling pulled. So I really feel that you are being pulled as if someone doesn't want you to have a new beginning. And that's why in your challenges and obstacles, you have the Three of Swords, heartbreak, pain, and betrayal. Can we please clarify this Three of Swords for Virgo? Please clarify this Three of Swords as being a challenge for Virgo. Thank you, Spirit. Clarify this Three of Swords as being the challenge for my Virgo. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Spirit. Clarify this challenge for Virgo. Thank you, Spirit. Man, you have the Nine of Swords. Anxiety, fear, and worry. That's your challenge. Your challenge is to overcome this heartbreak. Your challenge is to overcome anxiety, fear, and worry. It's like you're trapped in this mental prison. And I really feel this energy spirit wants you to rest and recover. Healing from a broken heart and going through lies and deception is extremely draining. That the only way for you to overcome it is to really love and nurture yourself, rest. It's you have to reprogram your mind. And I'm really feeling this. Work on reprogramming your negative thinking. Whatever happened to you, it wasn't because there was anything wrong with you. There was something wrong with someone else. This pain that has been put onto you has nothing to do with your worth, but it has everything to do with the person you were dealing with. Can we please clarify this Three of Swords and Nine of Swords for Virgo? Because this is in your challenge. This is your obstacle right now, Virgo. Please clarify this Three of Swords and Nine of Swords for my Virgo. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you, Spirit. Clarify. Yeah, you need to step into your Queen of Swords energy. You need to lead with logic and reason. You need to be cool, calm, collected, and detached. Have that gift of discernment. It's time to cut out what no longer serves you. The Queen of Swords has no problem. She has her sword ready at all times. It's not rested. She's actually holding it. She's ready to cut whatever no longer serves her. And I'm really feeling this energy, Virgo. You need to cut out energy that no longer serves you. If you're feeling anxiety, fear because of someone, then it no longer serves your greater good. You should feel safe, protected, loved, and nurtured. You shouldn't be in a mental prison. No person should have that power. And that's the energy I'm feeling, that you really need to step into this Queen of Swords energy and release this. Cut the cord. Cut the cord. Now, your action and next step is the Four of Wands. This is celebration. This is stability. This is sanctuary. And I'm feeling this energy that you need to start creating a sanctuary within yourself. Create a sanctuary. If everything around you is chaotic and conflict, always know that you can turn to yourself. Create that sanctuary within yourself. You feel nurtured, loved, and secure, where you're releasing yourself from a mental prison, where you're releasing yourself from pain, you're releasing your burdens. You're going through a major rebirth and transformation. Again, it's so important for you to go into this hermit mode and really restore yourself. That's why you have the Four of Swords. Rest is so important for you. Can we please clarify this Four of Wands for Virgo? Please clarify this Four of Wands for my Virgo. Please clarify. Thank you, Spirit. Clarify this Four of Wands for Virgo. Thank you, Spirit. Yep. We have the World card. Closing out chapters. You're completing something. You're closing out major chapters. And we have the Fool here. We have the World here. You've went through the Fool's journey. You've experienced everything you can experience in terms of this Seven of Swords energy. It's time to release it. It's time. Major completion and accomplishment. What is the overall advice for Virgo moving forward? What's the overall advice for my Virgo moving forward? Thank you, Spirit. What's the advice for Virgo moving forward? Thank you. Advice for Virgo. Wow. We have the Hanged Man. It's time for a sacred pause. It's time to surrender to divine source. This is all about prayer and meditation. This is where you have that beautiful acceptance and surrender. And you need to accept and surrender to this energy and release it. Turn to divine source and trust. I'm really feeling this trust. What's the guidance? What's the guidance for Virgo moving forward? What's the guidance? What's the guidance for Virgo? Strength. Tame that inner beast within you. Have that grace and ease to overcome challenges, because Virgo, your cards are very challenging. And I keep on being, as I'm looking at all the cards, I'm being pulled to the Seven of Swords. This energy has tried to pull you. I'm really feeling this strong thing that they drained your energy. They drained it. They drained it in such a way that left you in a mental prison. They drained you in such a way that you were stuck with fear and anxiety. But it's really time. We have the Four of Swords. We have the Hermit. We have the Hanged Man, the Four of Wands. I'm really feeling this energy. Create a sanctuary within yourself. Create that beautiful bubble with you, divine source, your angels, your ancestors, and build that strength within yourself. So this outside does not affect your growth, because you have a new beginning. But this pain and anxiety will keep you bound and held back. It's going to disturb your sanctuary and peace and celebration. It's really time to close out chapters. Trust in divine source. Tame the beast within you. Have that grace and ease. I want to get an energy oracle. Spirit, what would you like Virgo to know right now? What would you like Virgo to know right now? What would you like Virgo to know right now? We have number 7, darkness, the moon. I'm going to read it from the book. There are cycles to everything and a season for everything. Do not push yourself when the tides are against you. Do not be afraid of the darkness, as the darkness is as necessary as the light. Rest and repair. The divine feminine in all her forms is rising. The time now is for introversion, stability, and planning. Virgo, spirit speaks very loud. Divine source has reiterated not only my cards, but what I'm reading. It is time for rest and stability. Find your sanctuary. You have a brand new beginning. It is time to release the darkness of your past. Whoever this 7 of Swords energy that basically sucked the life out of you, caused you major burdens, mental, emotional, physical. You're going through a major rebirth and transformation. You will have victory and success. It is so important for you to take the time and really do that inner work. Be that guiding light for yourself. If everything around you is conflict and chaos, ensure that you create a sanctuary within yourself for peace, even if it's in a little small corner of a room where you can really connect with divine source and know that you are safe, you are protected, you are loved. Continue to heal yourself. Heart chakra is so important right now. Be that Queen of Swords and really tap into your gift of discernment. Cut out what no longer serves you. Trust in divine source. Take that sacred pause. You are closing out a major, major chapter. Major. And it's so important for you now to do that inner work. Virgo, thank you so much for joining me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember that you are loved and you have always been